So today we're making meringues, meringue whirls to be precise, and we're using 8 egg whites, 16 ounces of caster sugar. It's going to go into our trusty mixer. We've got the piping bag ready for piping them out after. There's a couple of tricks with meringues. One is to have clean equipment, but the other is not to start adding the sugar too soon. Many people add the sugar way too early. Look how thick this is before Roger even starts to add in the caster sugar, 1 spoonful at a time. Another tip is about turning over the top of the piping bag before you fill it. If you try and fill it with it unturned, you will get in a mess. Inside the upturned part of the piping bag, Roger's hand is proving to be a leverage point to scrape the meringue against. Refilling the bag again. And these are the last ones to pipe out now. And then after baking, they're crisp on the outside and soft on the inside and very delicious. Keep your meringues in airtight containers until you're ready to serve. And then one way of doing so is dipping them in melted chocolate and adding cream. Just a couple of minutes and they'll be dry, ready for their whipped cream, which is sitting here. That was double cream or whipping cream, just brought up to a thickness by beating it with a whisk. Some garnishes, but you could add raspberries or strawberries if you had those. Turning back the piping bag so he doesn't get cream all over his hand, and using the thumb to fill against. Can I have them for tea, Roger?
No.